Good Thursday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Alec Mao. On this final day of summer, it is definitely feeling like that. Does not feel like fall begins tomorrow. We are stuck in the heat with the 90s really just taking hold over northeast Mississippi through the rest of the weekend. Right now, 86 degrees and very, very humid right now. Our dew point at 73 degrees, making it feel quite muggy, especially because the winds are so light. Now, all across northeast Mississippi, we are already in those upper 80s, 87 in Pontotoc, 87 in Tupelo and Fulton, 87s almost all across the board, and it is not even noon. That means these will jump way up into this afternoon, and here's why. We have this ridge of high pressure that's really bringing in that south wind. Now, the wind from the Gulf of Mexico is bringing in the heat, the humidity, and we have this high pressure off to our northeast. That is helping to suppress any widespread activity of showers and thunderstorms into the afternoons. So even though it's hot and humid, we don't really have that energy to really bring any relief from the heat from those showers and storms, but a couple of places could get an isolated storm. That's what we're giving at about 20% chance. And I'll show you what that 20% chance looks like as we get into this afternoon. I think most of the activity will be off to our east. Now, a couple of our eastern counties like in Aberdeen and Lowndes County could see an afternoon shower or storm like yesterday, but yesterday really was just focused on the Golden Triangle and south. Now, as we move this through to tonight, you can see by about 8 p.m. just maybe a lone shower out there, but these are all driven by the sun and the heat of the day. So as we get the sun out tomorrow, that's when we'll see these showers start to pop up again, and really just in the same spot. It'll be about the Golden Triangle region down to the south, and I think places that stay dry today might get in on the action tomorrow and vice versa, but 20% means very widespread, very scattered, so not everyone will see any relief from this heat. Some of you guys might get in on that action, but for the most part, we're going to stay dry. Now, through the weekend, that'll stick all the way through into those 90s and upper 80s. Now, places that do see a rain shower could struggle to get into the 90s. They'll be in those upper 80s, but it definitely will be humid through the rest of the weekend and through the next 7 days too. Here's our 7-day forecast showing 90s basically all the way to the start of next week. Now, we'll drop off those rain chances just a little bit as we get into the start of next week, but I do see cold front with some relief beyond next Wednesday, but until then, deal with this heat and humidity because summer is not ready to go.